Yo, that's a boy.
Rapper Stupid Boy has signaled his intent to voluntarily return to rehabilitation, citing immense personal suffering. In a recent TikTok video, a visibly remorseful Stupid Boy expressed that he's going through hell and desperately needs to go back to rehab. The Jibak Ajad hitmaker also took the opportunity to issue a public apology to comedian, singer, and YouTuber Oga Obinna following a recent high-profile public spat between the two. This marks another chapter in Stupid Boy's ongoing battle with alcohol and substance addiction. He had previously undergone a 3-month rehabilitation program, a process spearheaded by Oga Obinna, Kipawa online media boss Dr. Castro, and prolific music producer and singer King Fizo, with significant support from well-wishers. During that initial stint in rehab, Stupid Boy showed remarkable progress, and his transformation garnered widespread admiration from netizens. He reportedly found faith and got saved before leaving the facility, further cementing the perception of a changed man. However, it wasn't long after his release that a public fallout with Obinna occurred, leading to Stupid Boy publicly accusing Obinna of mishandling a 1 million Kenya shilling donation intended for his support and career development. Following this dispute, Stupid Boy returned to Gota City and unfortunately diverted to his previous habits. Despite releasing a few new tracks, they have received favorable airplay and local media stations. Concerns about Stupid Boy's well-being have persisted, with reports indicating that drug use has continued to take a toll on him. In a recent podcast, Dr. Castro and King Fizo had previously shared their disappointment with Stupid Boy for what they perceived as him biting the finger that fed him, highlighting the challenges of supporting individuals through addiction and recovery. His latest video suggests a renewed realization of his struggles and a desire to seek help once more.